How to add drum snare in DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add this effect. First of all, open the application. Now here, I'm in my home page. Here, you can easily load different music. So on the top, as you can see, there are two different music platforms. So after doing that, here, simply select on this FX button. So this is the place where you'll be able to see different effects, and here you can even customize the music too. So here you'll be able to find different drum snares and drum kick. So here you can add it accordingly. So when you are inside or when you are continuing the DJ, you can keep it as a pop-up in different mediums. So simply tap on the one and here it will be enabled. So it's according to the style and the way you want to play the DJ too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.